and wool utilization in all its facets, greasy wool becomes a fertilizer. Sheep wool contains very important nutrients, which therefore is an ideal material for the production of high-quality fertilizer pellets. Adhering organic components such as wool grease, dirt, grass, which are processed within the greasy wool into pellets, are enhancing the fertilizing effects. On the other hand, if you want to sell greasy wool at profit or use in wool projects for further processing into high-quality products, first of all, the greasy wool has to be sorted very well. Greasy wool that is too dirty, too felted, too short fibers has to be sorted out and so far in most cases is thrown away. Scouring plants, spinning mills, they also produce a lot of wool not suitable for further processing. All wools that cannot be used for further processing can be processed into fertilizer. What are the advantages using pellets processed out of greasy wool as fertilizer? Most mineral fertilizers are not allowed for organic farming. Farm-produced fertilizers, such as liquid manure, stale manure and similar byproducts from agricultural production, have the disadvantage that they contain nutrients in a relatively low and varying concentration, and in addition, they bother the environment with a strong smell. An even bigger problem of mineral fertilizers are pharmaceutical ingredients such as antibiotics that are mostly used in conventional livestock farming at a large extent. These pharmaceutical ingredients easily end up in the environment and in worst case even in the human food chain. Phosphorus and nitrogen fertilizers, when commonly used, have major environmental effects. This is due to high rainfalls, causing the fertilizers to be washed into water bodies. In contrast, sheep wool pellets are allowed to organic farming. They get swelled into the soil. The pellets can absorb water very well and even store it up to 3.5-fold of their own weight. Because of this, an additional water reservoir is available for the plant, and the swallowing effect of the fertilizer pellets is also soil loosening. In addition, in the soil, sheep wool pellets will be completely biodegradable. Sheep wool pellets are 100% organic and renewable without external additives and chemicals. What are the ingredients? Nitrogen 10 to 12%, potassium 4 to 6%, total sulfur 1.8 to 2%, pentoxides 0.15 to 0.17%, magnesium oxides 0.05%, and about 85% dry matter. And last but not least, sheep wool pellets can increase the income of the sheep farmers. Sheep breeders taking their dirty and felted wool they have to throw away because they will get no money for it at all to the fertilizer facility. To get it processed into sheep wool pellets will have to pay about €4 per kilogram pellets for processing. On average, they get about 8 kilogram pellets of 10 kilogram greasy wool back. Sheep wool pellets are sold to customers from farm gate for €10 per kilogram pellets. That means, for a sheep farmer selling sheep wool pellets he can value his greasy wool up to €4.80 instead to throw it away. Sheep wool pellets are a great alternative for wools that cannot be processed to higher quality products for various matters. Let us find out now how they get processed.